Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll tell you where are the saved videos on YouTube. Say for example, if you save some videos to watch later, or the liked videos, or the videos which you comment. Okay, all those videos are available at. First of all, click on YouTube app, then click on U section here. You, the bottom right U, and here there is a section called your videos, right? See here, your videos, tap on this. Here you will find all the saved videos of your choice. Oh sorry, these are the uploaded videos, okay, and these are the downloaded videos, and few more. These are the playlist, okay, these are the playlist, and this is the history. And I also told you that how you can get to know the liked videos. I'll tell you where you can see your all your liked videos. For that, you can click on the settings gear icon, then click on manage all history here, and click on controls, not the controls, click on interactions, and see here videos, likes and dislikes. So I need to verify, maybe I'll give my fingerprint, okay. Yeah, it is just verifying this is me, okay. These are all the liked videos throughout the years. When you scroll down, this will even show for the year. If I click on details here, let me click on details, 7th January, okay. Likewise, you can check all your liked videos. And next, comments and dislike. These are the comments or the dislikes which are actions or the interactions I made on YouTube in the past, okay. For everything you need to verify that it is you, okay. For the security purpose, you need to verify that is you. See here, these are all the likes and dislikes, and also the ones which I commented here. These are the videos, okay. Likewise, all your stuff will be available here, okay. What else you can see here? Comments and replies, live chat messages, hype videos, and channel subscriptions, content you made with Wi-Fi AI. So everything here you will get, okay. In this way you can get to know where are your saved videos on YouTube. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.